Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, you have to prepare your body for winter because you see winter gonna be really cold. Alright? We're going to make yourself a nice lovely ginger water with some lemon, lime and ginger. Alright? If you have lemon, use lemon. If you have lime, use lime. So basically I have some fat chunk piece of ginger which I'm already washed off. So I'm just gonna simply cut them off finely and put it straight inside of my blender with the skin and everything. All right guys, so remember, fat chunk piece of ginger with the skin. Don't remove the skin at all, leave the skin on it, because you know we're gonna make yourself a miracle drink. This is for weight loss and detoxing your body, guys. It is amazing. All right, with the lemon and ginger, we all know that lemon have a lot of benefit. All right, I'm just cutting up my lemon. And we all know that lime have a lot of benefit. So I'm going to put half of a lime inside of it also. If you don't sure, please do some research. If you're allergic to water or lemon, you can't have this recipe. Alright? So please do some serious research, guys. So once you do that, then we're going to fill it with some water. Fill up the blender, have to free it up with some water. All right, look at that, amazing. That looking good. So that look nice, lovely, beautiful. So basically what we're going to do now is blend this together. Nice one. This is beautiful, fantastic, lovely and nice. All right, so what we're going to do now is run it through our strainer just like this. All right, nice one. So make it drain. Lovely and nice. So that's exactly what you're looking for. Then secondly, what we're going to do now is show you exactly what's going on. If you're drinking water in the morning after you eat your breakfast and thing, or if you're detoxing your body, this is an ideas for you guys. All right, nice and lovely. So this is a perfect ideas for you. I love to share things with my fans and to make you guys know exactly what's going on. Lovely. So 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. All right, that's exactly what we're talking about right there. Look at that. That is fantastic and nice. Give it a lovely mix. Lovely mix. Lovely mix. So basically what you can do with this one is make a big portion like this and it will last in your fridge for at least 5 days straight. All right, 5 days straight. You keep filling up your bottles and your container and throw it in it and drink it. Drink one in the morning after you eat your breakfast, and you know what I mean, one at 12 o'clock or one at night before you go to your bed and all these things. Just mix it up, you know what I mean. Try and eat healthy, guys. Very important. But it's a lovely drink, so hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe, leave your comments, and you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and we will be coming with a lot more recipe like this, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.